So, I'm just outside of Leicester today. I'm feeling a little bit stressed because I've had a bit of a drone strike, unfortunately. It's a write-off. I think I've found a great little spot just down this road. Oh, that's a bit of a shame. Looks like this place is closed. Oh well, let's have a look a bit further down and see if we can find somewhere else. Not having much luck today. Everywhere I'm finding, I can't stay. Oh well. I wander back up there. I missed my turning now. It's all going wrong for me today. Yeah, it looks like it's paying display, this car park, so let's have a look wander down and see how much it costs, what the damage is, and see how long I can stay for. Okay, so that's car park paid for. Let's have a little wander around. So yeah, that's just what we're after. Nice little woodland walk. So yeah, a little bit stressed after this morning. I was in Nottingham, in the main square. They were setting up for the England game tonight. There were loads of fencing around, and the pigeons were in full flow, circling around the square. So I had the drone up, just minding my own business. In fact, I was hovering, and then the pigeons came swarming round, and all of a sudden, just like that, the drone was on the ground. But luckily no one was hurt. Just unfortunately the pigeon ended up with a broken wing. It's probably not going to survive, so I feel a bit guilty about that, even though it wasn't my fault. Yes, it does say on the map that just up here, there's a place called Eaves Windmill. Yes, the windmill's been here since the 19th century, but in 1945, unfortunately it lost through a fire which started in the dry coarse bushes. It spread to the mill itself. Must have been the right site when it was in full working order back in 19th century. Big oak beams spinning round on top of the sill. You'd been able to see it for miles, and I bet when it were on fire as well that there'd been some sight, smoke going up. It's a shame they couldn't put it out, but at least it's still here for people to come and visit. See all the way to Leicester from here. Hello. Well, that's cheered me up a bit. Feel a lot better now. Didn't know that windmill were there. I just thought it was a nice little woodland to walk around. Bit of a nice surprise. An unexpected find. Oh, it's gone over on my ankle. That hurts. I was saying, the unexpected finds are usually the better ones. Someone's definitely been down there on the mountain bike. You can see the skid marks. Looks great little spot actually. Nice big downhill, a few little jumps to go over, a few little bumps and a few roots. Let's make it a bit more interesting, a bit gnarly if you like that sort of thing. Yeah, not quite sure what's happened there. It looks like a lightning strike or something, or maybe the trees just start to give a little bit, but look at this, some like trainee dogs. My dog George would absolutely love it here. A bit too far away to go pick him up and take him for a walk though, but he would absolutely love these tyres. Probably try to chew them though. So yeah, what a great little find that was. One Briggs Farm and Windmill Hill in Leicestershire. I'm definitely back here again, maybe with the dog. Thank you very much for joining me. Not far from the car.